Guys, here's another video. I'm gonna take the resonator off of the vehicle to make the muffler sound a little bit louder. I already got a Borla muffler on it, but when I went to the shop I told them I didn't want it as loud, which now I kind of regret. It is a compressor supercharged. I just wanted to sound more beastie. So I already have the car up. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's and buy the stuff that I need. So there's my muffler up there. There's the resonator. So I'm gonna cut from the starting of where they welded it to right there, and then add the metal tube with the clamps. So I'll show you guys as soon as I'm done. Alright, so I got the clamps and I got this pipe right here. It's pretty big, 24. Mine's I need about 19 inches, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut some. But this is it right here. Just gonna go home, put this on, and it should be good to go. It's so cheap to do this, and it makes the car sound really good. I literally spent $16.31, 2 clamps and that. Instead of paying $200-300 at a muffler place, this is what you do right here, and you're good. Bam. All right, finally got it taken off. Took the reservoir off, or resonator, I mean, and put this pipe on. Barely got done right now. Just gotta put the car down, turn it on, and see how it sounds. Go ahead.